In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to change text cases in Excel. Now, this can be very handy when we're working with different data sets and different reports. We want to make sure that data remains consistent and is formatted in a way that is useful and easy for us. So in today's video, we'll go through 3 different text functions: upper, lower, and proper. And one example you might run into working with your data is, let's say you get data that's output in a certain format. So things are typically uppercase, propercase, lowercase, and in this case, propercase. And we have a data set over here which doesn't quite match the same formatting. So if we were to combine these sets of data into one report, we can see that we'd have some different mixes of formatting, and would just make it a little bit harder to look at and to work with. So to account for that, we can use a few different functions. So the first one being upper, and these are very simple formulas. So we'll just type in upper and then click on the text and want to convert into uppercase. And we can drag that down and see that all those are now upper. So we can copy and paste that over here to transform that. And let's say our item name is in the right format, so we can skip that one. And say equipment, or for category, we want these to be lowercase. We can go ahead and type lower. Select our text. Drag that down. And a third option we can use is proper case. So this is where the first letter of each word will be capitalized, so that'll match our supplier list over here. So we can type proper. Once again, click on the text we want to convert to proper. Hold that down. And then here we can copy these, paste over here. Then let's say if we're combining our data sets now, paste. And then here we can have all of our data now formatted in the same way and easily change our text using upper, lower, and proper functions in Excel.